In this video, I will show you this new Messenger note feature. This is a new feature that allows users to share notes with their followers or friends. These notes usually disappear after 24 hours, just like stories. To use this new note feature, make sure that you are running the latest update of the Messenger app. Open your Play Store or App Store and search for Messenger. Update the app if an update is available. Now, open your Messenger app. Notes shared by your friends will appear on top of their profile. You can click on it to view the full note. To create a new note, just click on this plus button on your profile. Now, create your note. Your note is limited only for 60 characters. Finally, click Share. Your note will now appear on top of your avatar. When you click on it, you can leave a new note or you can delete your existing note. Just take note that your friends can see your note for only 24 hours, and also people won't get a notification when you share a new note. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.